So I just have my little pink I would say Twizzlers, my pink tweezers. And I just watched like a really short like TikTok on how to pluck. So I'm just trying to go like right behind the hairline. And then I'm just yanking the hair out. I don't know how much. I'm just pulling it out. I don't know if that's correct. I just don't want this wig to look so wiggy. Fucking hair stuck to my lip gloss. I saw some people saying to like cut like really short hairs around like the front part of the wig. That makes me a little nervous. And then in one of the videos she was like, oh, like just make sure you like curl it after you cut it. Like, huh? I don't even have a fucking curling iron. I mean, I have a flat iron, but like I feel like barely any hair is coming out. How long is it supposed to take? I went to Ulta yesterday and there was so much like cute little like stupid stuff I wanted to buy. I think I'm done buying stuff though. Like I'm not buying anything else for a long time. It's like tracks glued onto like a thing. Should I just make my own wig? Like I feel like making a wig isn't that hard. Like you just need like hair and like a lace part. I feel like I can do that. I feel like I'm not plucking enough. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on and see what needs to be plucked because okay, so this is why I was gonna do the middle part originally. Wait, hold on. I'm about to take this shit off, put it back on. Okay, so if you look at me like this, it's the part. Just don't look at the part. Like, I just look like poor. I feel like this wig just looks very poor. I don't even think it's the lace though. Like, I feel like you would expect it to be like, oh, because the lace isn't glued, but it's not that. Like, even if I were to glue the lace down right now, this wig still wouldn't look good. I just didn't know that wigs were this much work. Like, I mean, I'm still hot, but you know, I'm just not. Okay, I know that part looks bad, which is my fault, but I'm not gonna fix that. Cause like at the end of the day, no one's gonna see that. No one's gonna see. How are they gonna see? You know, no one's gonna see that, so I can ignore it. And then this part, I feel like it's so like poofy. And I tried to like flat iron it a little bit and it didn't really do anything. It just looks